Coach, sa dulo na lang talaga medyo nakatagal.
Yun nga, masyado maganda yung, yung shooting nila. Yung mga key players nila stepped up. Si Pogoy, si Stana, si Eram. We were actually contesting their shots, but they just made their shots. We were playing decent defense, but I think they just were having a really good night. But that happens, ganun talagang basketball. Meron talagang araw na parang hindi ka mag-mintis ng tira. But we're in a good position. We're 4-3. Sabi ko nga, ang hinahanap namin, 6 na panalo. We have 4 games left. As soon as we hit 6 wins, we'll see if we can still improve our situation. But we're still in a good place. Kailan is coming back the next game. So, good, naman yun. It's a good development. Yun nga, hindi pa namin alam yung situation ni Bo, kung ano yung magiging recommendation. Siguro mga doctors, medyo nahilo siya kanina. We had 2 good shooting nights before this, and medyo masama yung shooting namin ngayon. We needed to make those shots to be able to open up their defense or the middle, but not enough. Sila yung actually, sila yung napaganda yung laro. There was a time in the first quarter when we had momentum. Kami yung nag-dictate ng pace. Pero nung second quarter, bumagal kami. We played to their pace, and we couldn't recover from that. We had the chance, and we kept the game close until maybe second half of the fourth quarter. Pero they were making big shots. We couldn't make the big stops. They were making their big shots. And we were just trying to keep the game close, maybe for future quotient system. So, yun lang. Pero we're still in a good spot. We're still very hopeful this conference. Just happens na may mga gabi talaga na mahirap pigilan yung kalaban.
Coach, medyo nakakabahala na ba yung kayo kasi nangyari na sa game yung video? Meron namang ganun concern yung team?
Of course, we're concerned. Kaya lang, aware naman kami na he had all the approval, go signal from his doctors. So we would not put him in a dangerous situation. So siguro kailangan lang i-confirm ulit kung ano ang magiging future recommendation ng doktor. So, kasi, he's been practicing well So, maganda yung mga ensayo niya, kaya very positive naman yung namin. Pero yung kanina nga, medyo concerning din yun. But, hindi kami doktor, so tignan natin kung ano magiging recommendation ng doktor.
Kasi yung kung na-strain din ako,
hindi naman siya serious. No. Pero since nakita ko kanina na medyo mababa na yung chances of winning, hindi ko na rin siya pinilit. We're just preparing for the next game.